protein-rich smoothie. Ingredients, we just got back from Costco. We got bananas. We're gonna put a whole banana in. We put the Icy Pure protein powder. And I like to get the frozen berries. You know, as I say, like, because of the frozen berries, you don't need to put cubes of ice in, you know, which only detract from the flavor. Instead of putting straight peanut butter in, I like to go with the PB2. This is only 60 calories where the calorie count of regular peanut butter is 190. It's supposed to be 2 tablespoons per 60 calories, you know. So make sure you put that in. I like to go a little rough because I love the flavor of peanut butter, I gotta tell you. That's the thing that just makes the diet so hard, is the peanut butter is so good. So here we have the frozen berry, the Oikos yogurt. This is the 000 for extra protein, less sugar. I also put the Isopure protein powder on the top. Get a nice helping of spinach here. And also the PB2 peanut butter powder. Like I said, there's a Crystal Light as the base to really give it some liquid. And now we're gonna go blend it up.
A lot of power, a lot of fuel for the gym.
Yeah, this is a protein rich. Have one a day. You know, usually if I drink it too fast, I feel a little bloated, but $1 for a smoothie.
Cheers.
Cheers.